इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें।
Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. I hope this Diwali brings immense joy and prosperity into our lives. How are your preparations going? I have already decorated my home, and over the past month, I have shared several videos related to Diwali decoration with all of you. If you haven't watched them yet, you can find the links to all of these videos in the description box. Over the last few years, many new subscribers have joined the Simplify Your Space family. And for a while now, I have been receiving requests to do a home tour. What better time than Deepavali to do so? So, let me show you how I have decorated my home for the festival. Let's get started. So, this is the entrance to our home, which I have decorated like this. One great thing about this house is that we have a spacious outdoor area which allows me to decorate the entrance beautifully. Let's head inside. As soon as you enter, you will see our foyer area where we have a built-in shoe rack on the side. For the festival, I have decorated this area with candles and DIY diyas. To the right of the foyer area is our living room, which many of you have already seen in several videos. I have decorated it for Deepavali, but usually I keep the living room decor quite simple and subtle. There is a painting on the wall that has not been changed for the last 6 years and lots of plants. Many of you have asked about this sofa in the comments. It's a recliner sofa that we had custom made, and you can find the showroom details in the description box. This festive cushion cover set was a great find at the Gujarati market in Janpat, Delhi during my last visit, where I got it at a very reasonable price. You can find some beautiful home decor items there at great prices. Oh, and these candles, I DIY the design myself. You can find the link to that video in the description box. By the way, this is not our usual TV. It was sent for a promotional collaboration. The video for this TV is already live on our channel. The living room also has a balcony where I have placed lots of plants. When we step out of the living room, there is a long passage that leads to all 3 bedrooms. First on the right is my son's bedroom, which looks like this. My son is a huge fan of football icon Ronaldo, so he's put up his posters on the walls. You can find a dedicated video on our channel about how I've organized this room, so I won't go into every cabinet here. As we step out of this room and turn right, there is a common washroom, and just beyond that is the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom decor is also very simple yet cozy. I have turned the study table in the guest room into my work desk, and I do all my work here. Whenever we have guests or when my in-laws visit, I shift my desk. The guest bedroom also has an attached bathroom which looks like this. We had all the bathrooms renovated about 2 years ago. As soon as we step out of the guest room, we come to this hand washing area. Next to it is the master bedroom, which looks like this. The desk here is used by my husband. The room also has a balcony which we have enclosed. It is used not only for drying clothes but also as a storeroom. This is what the attached bathroom looks like.
Now if we step out of this room and turn right, we arrive at our dining area. All the big product shoots happen here. As you can see, there is a fridge here which has also been sent for a video shoot. We also have a separate mandir in the dining area. I decorated it during Navratri and shared a video with you all. For Diwali, I have made a few changes to the decor. Right next to the mandir is a kitchen. The breakfast counter is very useful for our shoots and most of our shoots happen here. The kitchen is the place that appears most frequently in our videos and many of you have loved it.
If you have noticed, our entire home is painted white with woodwork mostly in a white and brown combination. The kitchen is completely white because I wanted an all-white kitchen. White color adds a lot of light and makes the home look more spacious.
During our renovation, we added a bit of color to the utility area by selecting greyish blue cabinets. The renovation which we did 2 years ago was mainly for this area. We rebuilt it from scratch to fit all our large appliances like the washing machine, tumble dryer and dishwasher. You can also find a video on how I have organized the utility area on our channel. There is an entry to the house help room which we have converted into my home office. This is where we plan and edit our videos.
And that wraps up our home tour. This house is not just a home, it is also my office because this is where we create all the videos for Simplify Your Space. I'm so thankful for all the love that you shower upon me. It truly motivates me to create new videos. I would like to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for staying with us all these years. Just a reminder that home documentation video at Simplify Your Space went live about a month back, in case you haven't received the notification. Link is mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching. Happy organizing and happy Diwali to all of you. Bye bye.